Nomenclature. Nomenclature is the system of naming living organisms, that is, plants and animals. Do you know why there is need of nomenclature? I will tell you. Because common names cover only localized organisms and do not cover plants and animals of entire earth. Second problem was that one organism has many names as different people in different areas have different languages, so they name organisms accordingly. Third problem was that some names were misleading, like starfish, cuttlefish, jellyfish are actually not fishes. Most important drawback is that there is no scientific basis in selecting a common name. In 18th century, Carolus Linnaeus introduced scientific system of binomial nomenclature for naming the organisms in his book Species Plantarum. According to binomial nomenclature, every scientific name is formed of two words, genus and species. There are some rules which should be followed during writing the scientific names in binomial nomenclature. Each scientific name must have two words, generic and specific name. Generic name must start with capital letter. Specific name must start with small letter. Scientific names are generally derived from Greek or Latin word. When printed, they should be in italics. When handwritten or typed, they should be underlined. Scientific names are significant because they are same all over the world. They indicate evolutionary relationship. They solve the problem of multiple naming of one organism.